All right, good morning. Today's activity will be about the moon. So the moon is kind of like doing a little dance with planet Earth. So sometimes the moon will look a certain way. And sometimes the moon will look like this. And sometimes the moon will look like this. And sometimes the moon will look like it's barely even there. But it is. So the reason is that the Earth and the moon are kind of dancing together. And really, really far, far away is the sun. And as the Earth and the moon move around the sun, we see different parts of the moon because the moon is so close to us. All right, so if you see all of the moon up in the sky, it is called a full moon. All right, and a full moon means that somehow the moon is further away from the sun, so the sun is not behind the Earth because the tablet is the Earth, and I have the flashlight behind the tablet. So even though the flashlight is really, really far away, like the sun is, the moon is reflecting that light, so we see all of it. Okay, so that's called a full moon. All right, when the moon is like this, I don't know if you can still see it a little bit. That means that we see the shadow, the other side. Even though it's the same side of the moon, the other side is getting the light. So it looks like it's almost not even there. All right. And then that's called a new moon, by the way. And after a new moon, we start getting a little bit of light on the right side, and it's going to wax. All right, so that means that the sun is over here somewhere to the right. And as it makes its like circle here, does a little dance. I gotta make sure I don't cover a tablet. It's gonna get smaller going in the other direction until all the way it goes back around. I don't know if I can do that part here, where it disappears. It wouldn't look like that. All right, we're back to the new moon. And about every month, about every 28 days or so, this cycle happens, and it's called the lunar phases, or the phases of the moon. All right, it's a short lesson. If you have a flashlight and a tennis ball or even a ping pong ball, you're welcome to try it. Try to get a dark piece of paper behind the activity so you can see the reflection off of the ping pong ball or tennis ball. All right, that's a little bit of science there. Have a terrific Friday.